Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over, is the LARQ Water Bottle PureVis Dishwasher safe? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their LARQ PureVis water bottle. And so to simply answer your question, this is the main component of the bottle. This portion here is dishwasher safe. So you could easily throw this into the dishwasher and obviously it'll clean the outside and the inside. However, I don't recommend, or it's not recommended, to actually go ahead and place the filter and as well as the actual cap inside the dishwasher. So do not place the cap and as well as the filter inside the dishwasher. These both should be hand washed with warm water and soap. And it is recommended that you actually do that just because of the technology that's inside of here. So you don't want this to be exposed to like the heating elements. And you do want this to last quite a bit as far as making sure that the UV technology is still able to work and such. So my recommendation though is that you just hand wash everything. I mean, if you're gonna hand wash the mouthpiece, why not just also hand wash the actual bottle itself? But more so, it's up to you. But I hope this helps answer your question as far as, is the LARQ Water Bottle PureVis Dishwasher safe? If you guys know of a better, easier way to answer this question, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.